Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Focus guys, third generation known as MK3, and what we'll be doing guys should apply to years 2012 to year 2019. We'll show you guys how to remove and replace interior dome light, also known guys as overhead lamps. Stay with us, we'll explain what needs to be done, how you remove and replace those as well guys. Quick introduction, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, including guys that Ford Focus. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. If you want to save even more money guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can purchase parts and tools for a really good price as well. Let's go ahead and start on the dome light replacement now. So we'll go inside now guys. I want to show you what we'll be doing here. We have quite a few things apart already. We'll demonstrate on the front one right here, but the right one the rear one will be exactly the same. So now I'm going to pass the camera so we can see a little bit better like that. If you come on the back side right here guys, there is one little bitty notch where you get a screwdriver or a plastic panel tool. Get it in and you need to come down. Don't go up because there is one metal plate that you don't want to catch. So make sure you stay until the end and I'm going to explain what I'm talking about. Push in and pry guys. What we're talking about now. Right here that metal thing. You need to come here, push it, and when you push it guys, you pull down. Don't grab that metal plate, because if you do guys, you're going to go ahead and damage your ceiling here, your roof, and you won't be able to attach the new one. And don't do what I did guys. You have one wire on the front, right there. Check it out. That wire on the front, ours is, it just came loose, but there is one thing that you press in and you pull it out. And you get that thing out of there just like that. So that's how you guys remove it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.